please. Oh my God, it's a bear! Yes, it's in our driveway! Run, Barry, run!
All right, do a good pose.
All right, give him back if you want to.
All right, take it.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've ever seen this.
As long as you lift it from behind, you're good.
I'm trying to help you out.
Oh! God dang.
We didn't know what to do with the tortoise. This is the conclusion that we reached. It's going to come to the station with us.